Hello students and welcome in the next class. Today we are going to do two very important questions of physics. So let's see those questions one by one. So the first question says, a person with a myopic eye is not able to see objects beyond 2 meters from it. Determine the nature, the focal length and the power of the lens used to correct the defect. So here the question says that the person is having myopia. And second thing is that he is not able to see the objects beyond 2 meters. So if the person is myopia means short-sightedness, so it means the person is having the defect that he cannot see the distant objects clearly. So a thing which is at infinity, he cannot see those things clearly. And the question is saying कि if the person can only see clearly till 2 meters. So what do we want in this question? कि जो जितनी भी हमारी image है, whatever object is at infinity, the image should be formed at 2 meters so that the person can see the things clearly. So image distance means V. What is V here? V here is 2 meters and we'll put a negative sign. What will be U? Objects are where? Objects are at infinity because the person is having myopia. So we have to correct that defect. So U here is infinity. Okay, so if you put minus sign or plus sign, that doesn't matter in case of infinity. Now what is the lens formula? The lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Here you have to find out the power of the lens and the correction used. Now put the values. This will be minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon infinity. Okay, object distance is always negative. So if you put a negative sign here, then also the answer will be same. So this will be minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon infinity becomes 0. Okay, so this will be minus 0 or minus 1 upon 2. So F here is minus 2 meters. The question is in meters, so F here is minus 2 meters. Now you have to find out the power here. So power you know is 1 upon F, where F is in meters. So this will be 1 upon minus 2 and the answer is 0.5 diopters in minus. Now in myopic case, because the person is having myopic eye, what kind of correction lens do we use? We all know that the correction lens is concave lens. So we'll write down that we have to use here concave lens for correction. Is that clear? In case of myopic eye, you have to proceed in this way. U will always be U infinity, take infinity, and V, whatever distance is given to you, take that as V. Is it clear? Now the next question, we will do the next question and that will be the case of a hypermetropic eye. Let's see what is given to us in that question. So the next question says, a person cannot see objects nearer than 75 centimeter. Okay, from his eyes, while a person with normal vision can see objects up to 25 centimeter. So we know कि 25 centimeter तक एक normal person देख सकता है. Find the nature, the focal length and the power of the correction lens used for the defective vision. So a person cannot see objects nearer than 75. मतलब if the objects are nearer than 75, then he cannot see. So what do we want is the image should be formed at minus 75 centimeter. Even if the objects are kept nearer to his eye, the image should be at minus 75 so that he can see the things clearly. It is the case of hypermetropia. So what you will take here? You will take V here as minus 75 centimeter. Okay, what will be U here? Now we because in the question here it is given in the question only that 25 centimeter is for normal vision where everybody can see the things clearly, a normal eye. Okay, so even if it is not given in the question, U you will take as 25. So U here is minus 25 centimeter. Now you have to find out F and P, power and focal length. So what is the formula for F? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Put the values. This will be minus 1 upon 75 minus and then again a minus sign because of this, to minus 25. So this becomes minus 1 upon 75 plus 1 upon 25. So this will be 75 आपका आ जाएगा LCM and this will be minus 1 plus 3 and this will be 2 upon 75. So this is 37.5 centimeter. ठीक है, तो this is F. I have done its reciprocal also. So F is 37.5 centimeter. Now you have to find out power. So power is equal to, you know, 1 upon F. So put the values, centimeter में है तो put it in 100 upon F means 37.5, or you can put the value like this, 100 upon 75 upon 2. This will be 4, 3. So this is 8 upon 3. Calculate it. What will be the answer? This will be, I think 2.3 2s are 6, divide it, 3 2s are 6, your 2.06. So this will be 2.6 power diopter. Okay, and this will be in plus. Now this is the case of hypermetropia. So what kind of correction lens will be used? You will write down that convex lens will be used as correction lens. Is that clear, bachcho? Very good. Now do these questions properly. These are very important from the examination point of view. And I'll give you one practice question also. And if you like this video, then please share this with your friends and follow my channel. Thank you so much for watching it.